Here is question number 22. I am showing you from the assignment. If the present age of Sohan is m years, you are given the present age of Sohan is m years. That means Sohan's age is m years. Write the following. His age 5 years ago. You have to tell what is his age 5 years ago. That means you will be writing before 5 years. M minus 5. Okay. Next is his age 4 years from now. After 4 years, how much will be his age? After 4 years, that means we have to add. His answer will be m plus 4. His mother's age is 3 times his age. His mother's age is 3 times his age. His age is m years. That means mother's age will be 3 cross m or 3m. Then if his father is 5 years more than the mother's age, that means for father's age, you will be adding. More than means you have to add. Less than means you have to subtract. So father's age will be 5 plus that of the mother. 5 years more than the mother's age. So we will be writing all the answers now. Here is A part. First of all, let us write Sohan's age m years. Then first part, Sohan's age 5 years ago, that will be m minus 5. Second part is Sohan's age 4 years after, that means it will be m plus 4. Part third, mother's age. And for mother's age, you are given it is 3 times his age. 3 times his age means 3 times m, or you can write m into 3, or you can write 3m. All answers are right. Fourth part, father's age. And you are given that father is 5 years more than, that means 3m plus 5. So here is the completion of question number 22. Then is question number 24. I am showing you from the assignment. And here is the height of box is A. Our height of box A is W kg. You are given that one box is there whose name is box A. And its, weight a bit. Weight is W kg. Then is the weight of box B. You have to tell what is the weight of box B, which is 30 kg less than box A. Its weight is 30 kg less. That means you will be subtracting 30 from the weight of box A. Then is part 3. Weight of box C, which is 10 kg more than box A. 10 kg more, that means you have to add 10 into the weight of box A. Here we will be adding. Part third. Weight of box A and box B together. Here we have to add both the weights of box A as well as B. Then is weight of box B and C together. Whatever answer we are getting for B and C, here we will add. Then is part 5. The weight of all 3 boxes together. For A, B and C, we will be adding. For box A, box B as well as box C. So let us do question number 24. First part is, first of all, we will write that weight of box A, and we are given that is W kg. For part 1, we are given the weight of box B is 30 kg less than weight of box A. Weight of box B, and we are given that is 30 kg less than box A. So W minus 30 we will write. Next is weight of box C, and what is that? We are given 10 kg more than A. A box, we will add 10 to the weight of box A. Part 3, and here we have to find weight of box A and B together. Weight of box A and box B together. Together means we have to add. So when we will add A and B, what we get? A's box A's weight is W kg and box B, its weight is W minus 30. 1 time W, 2 times W. It is 2 times W minus 30. Okay. Then is part 4. And that is weight of box B and C together. Weight of box B and C together. And here let us check what is the weight of box B and C. Weight of box B is W minus 30 and weight of box C is W plus 10. 1 time W, 2 times W, minus 30 plus 10, minus 20. Part 5. Weight of box A, B and C together. For A it is W, for B it is W minus 30, for C it is W plus 10. So what will be the answer? 1 time W, 2 times W and 3 times W. It is 3W minus 30 plus 10. It is minus 20. So we have got the answers for box B, box C, box A and B together, then box B and C together, then box A, B and C, then all we have added here. Here you have to count that how many times W has appeared here. W is a variable and it has appeared 1, 2 and 3. So I have written 3W and minus 30 plus 10 is minus 20. Thank you. Here is question number 25. I am going to read the statement. Shivani's height is h centimeters. Then we have to find the following. Okay, we are given Shivani's height. Let us write down this first. Question number 25. Shivani's height h centimeters. Then is we are given first part. Radha's height is 6 less than Shivani's height. Radha's is 6 centimeters less because Radha is smaller here. That means what we will write? Radha's height is h minus 6. Then Seema's height is 5 centimeter less than Shivani's height. So Seema's height will be, again it is 5 centimeters less. That means h minus 5 centimeters. Third part here, Meera's height is 30 centimeter less than twice the Shivani's height. Meera's height we are given now 30 centimeter less. That means we have to subtract 30 from twice the Shivani's height. That means 2 times h, because Shivani's height is h. 2 times h minus 30. Next is Farida's height is 1 centimeter more than Radha's height. Farida's height. Now it is 1 centimeter more. So we will be adding 1 to the Radha's height. And Radha's height we have calculated here in the first part. Fifth part, Shreen's height is 2 centimeter less. As less is written here, so we will be subtracting. So let us start first part now. Radha's height 6 centimeter less than Shivani. That means h minus 6. First part, Radha's height is equal to h minus 6. Now if you are using centimeter, then you will write like this. Second part, Seema's height. And we are given h minus 5 because it is 5 centimeter less than Shivani. See here. 5 centimeter less than Shivani. Okay. Now is third part. And what was it? Meera's height. 30 less than Shivani. Okay. So let us write Part 3, Meera's height. And that will be h minus 30 because it is 30 less than Shivani's. Next is fourth part. Farida's is 1 centimeter more than Radha. Now what we have written for Radha? We have written h minus 6. So we will be using Radha's height, and from that we will be, what it is written here, more than. So we will add 1. Okay. Fourth part. Farida's height, and that will be Radha's height. Then we have to add 1 because it is 1 more. It is h minus 6 plus 1. H minus 6 plus 1 minus 6 and plus 1 will be minus 5. So this much centimeters, h minus 5 centimeters. Next is Shreen's height. It is 2 centimeter less than Seema's. Okay. So Seema's we have here. Okay. So we will be using Seema's height now. Now is Shreen height. And for that we are given 2 less than Seema's. Okay. And Seema's is h minus 5. H minus 5 and 2 we have to subtract. Minus 5 and minus 2 will be minus 7. So this is the Shreen's height. Here is the completion of question number 25. Then is question number 23. Height of, one second. Height of a room is y meters. Write the breadth of room, which is 20 meters less than twice the length. Write an expression for perimeter. Perimeter, you know, it is sum of all sides. Okay. So let us write down. We are given that length of room is y meter. So let us start with the length of room. Length of room is equal to y meters. Next, we are given breadth of room. Breadth of room, and what we are given here, 20 less than twice the length. First of all, we need twice the length. That means 2 times y. It is 20 meters less than twice the length. Twice the length, and we have to subtract 20 out of it. Okay. So if you are using units, you will write in brackets. So we have to write an expression for perimeter of room. Now, expression for perimeter of room. And you know what is perimeter? It is sum of all sides. That means 2 lengths and 2 breadths. So we will be writing this length twice. Y and y. Same way we will be writing this breadth twice. That means 2y minus 20 and 2y minus 20. As we have perimeter of room means we have to add all sides. I have y and y as length, 2y minus 20 and 2y minus 20 as breadth. So for perimeter, I will be adding all these sides. Y and y, then 2 breadths, 2y minus 20 and 2y minus 20. Now let us see how many times we have written y. 1 time, 2 times, then 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. So it is 6y. What is perimeter? 1, 2, 4 and 2 again 6. And then we will be adding these. Minus 20 and minus 20, it will be minus 40 meters. Okay. So for perimeter, I have added 2 times length and 2 times breadth. 1, 2, 4 and it is 6 now. 1, 1, 2, 2. Okay, 6y. And minus 20 and minus 20 is minus 40. Is it clear? Thank you.